Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about whether the AI will replace the software developers in future. Nowadays, AI is one of the growing technology. So everyone believe that AI will change everyone's job like that because those AI tools are easily write code, debugs code, and even also it can able to develop applications, right? Applications, website, and so many things is easily done by AI. But software developer role is not only about write coding. In their role, they do multiple things like problem solving, teamwork, system design, and the main thing is understanding the requirements because the client we have to understand the client requirements. Then only we have to develop the entire project based on the project. So yeah, the AI is growing field, but it's also depends on the human guidance, right? So in my opinion, AI is able to code everything, debug faster, but it's not replace the every skilled software developers. It only changes how they work in the working area. Like we use uh, before before we using calculator we do math in our mind or paper like that, but after coming with calculator everyone says calculator will changes like calculator will play a role after it came, and every mathematicians maybe lose their job like that. But that was such kind of activities never done because the calculators only helps us to do the mathematics fast and accurate, right? Like that, the AI will not replace their jobs. Conversely, it helps to update and learn faster than before. So it will help the software developers to do a work fast and in a particular time. So it will be like an assistant. But who don't know about this AI, they will be maybe struggle during their job. So in my case, I used to solve DSA problems, and that time I maybe stuck some problems. Sometimes I don't know about the new algorithm or concept. That time I am also using some AI tools like ChatGPT, Notebook LM, like that. Here, these tools are help me to understand the concepts clearly. It's not replace my thinking ability like that. Okay, so those AI tools can't replace any software developers, but it may be replace who don't know about how to AI like. So we have to learn fundamental absolutely because this will reduce our time and helps to gain more productivity. So this is today I wanted to talk about. So we will meet in our next video. If you have any doubt or if you have any other point or any mistakes what I made, you have to tell in my comment section. Don't hesitate to do it. So we will meet you next video, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.